Dear engineers, today we will have a basic comparison between chiller, AHU's, VRF and split unit system. Please understand, this is not a video which is meant for a very experienced HVAC engineer, but for the new upcoming engineers who wish to have the basic knowledge about these systems. Split unit, as the name indicates, there is a one indoor unit and one outdoor unit, but indoor unit can be more. It is not one, but outdoor unit will be only one. As the picture says, you can see one indoor unit and one outdoor unit, which is the common AC system which we can see in all general houses and small buildings and everything. In split AC, this type of arrangement also possible, where one outdoor unit will be there and multiple indoor unit can be connected. But the problem is that here the temperature cannot be different in different room. If indoor units are arranged in different, generally indoor unit will be given in, this will be in one room, this will be in another room. But temperature cannot be controlled in different way. If we set it in one temperature, if any one indoor unit is attained that temperature, automatically outdoor unit, the compressor will shut down. Then different temperature cannot be achieved in split unit system. In VRF, variable refrigerant flow, the refrigerant is used directly to cool multiple rooms with one outdoor unit, and different rooms with a different temperature can achieve in VRF. In this picture, you can see there is a VRF outdoor units and various type of indoor units are shown. VRF means variable refrigerant flow. VRV is variable refrigerant volume, or same purpose is used. And indoor units are different type: cassette type, floor standing, wall mounted, ceiling mounted, compact cassette, ductable type, slim duct type, and high static. All these are different types used in different area and different purpose. Chiller is the machine used in HVAC system which used to remove heat from water and supply chilled water for cooling purpose. We can say it's a water cooling machine for large building. Here in this picture you can see two type of chiller is shown. One is air cooled chiller and one is water cooled chiller. In air cooled chiller, air is used as the cooling medium to cool the water, and here in water cooled chiller, cooling tower is used as the cooling area. This is a picture of a cooling tower. Maybe you have seen in some of the building. This is the cooling tower picture. This one very fantastically arranged chiller room, where you can see chiller plant, primary, secondary pump. The chilled water supply line is marked very beautifully. Chilled water return lines are marked here with a good color coding. This is one of the best arrangement we can see in a chiller plant. This is another purpose of VRF indoor and outdoor unit, where you can see the warm air is supplied to in different rooms with the different room temperature, which can be controlled. We can attain different warm air temperature in different rooms by this method also. It's a quick comparison only, just for information purpose only kept here. And these are different types of chillers are available in the market. And this is the comparison of chiller, VRF system and split AC unit. As a part of installation, what are the major tips, points to be taken care of? The chiller room should be sufficient space, location has to be there for accommodating chiller, primary, secondary pump, VFD panel, heat pump, etc. The cooling tower generally kept outside the building or open terrace. VFD means variable frequency drive. Instead of starter panel, nowadays VFD panels are used for a smooth controlling of starting and stopping of chillers. Pipe insulation should be proper in chiller plant so that the best performance can be achieved. For the drain pipe, proper sloping has to be ensured. A very common mistake that I have observed in all the project. the drain pipe will not have slope, and then the water will flow back. It will be drip on the false ceiling and inside the room. We have to do advanced planning to connect the drain line, copper pipe, the power cable, BMS line, etc. In VRF unit, placing of outdoor unit has to be properly planned, because power cable, BMS cable, copper piping has to be taken to the outdoor unit. Always do flushing, purging, vacuuming, as it is intended for cleaning of pipes and copper pipe. Never skip a pressure test of the pipe. It is most important to maintain the welding joints in proper and ensure that there is no leakage, breakage happening on the pipelines. Do proper installation of drain pipe, duct, valve and everything. Do leak test of the duct. How to do the leak test of the duct? We can do light test or smoke test in a simple method. If we discuss the common mistakes that happens in HVAC system, drain pipe without slope and insulation, which already we discussed. No insulation on valve. Always, if there is no insulation, proper insulation not given to the valve, there will be sweating. No access panel for the maintenance. It is very, very important. What happens? The architect, the client will not does not give proper maintenance access for the false ceiling, which will cause in due course of 5 to 6 months, when the HVAC machine will happen, need to be done maintenance, access panel is required, or otherwise false ceiling has to be cut and damaged at that time. Loose flexible duct connection, improper supports, owner general mistakes happening at site. If there is no proper installation on duct also, there is a sweating can happen. Another one general mistake happens is that insufficient space height for the chiller room, and there is no space availability for the cooling tower. Generally, cooling tower will be fixed at the roof side, and the chiller room requires sufficient space to do maintenance and everything. One of the dangerous things what I have seen in my career is that the chiller room will make as a space for storage of material, whether it will be a waste material, cardboard, plastics, all those material will dumped into the chiller room, one corner of the chiller room, and chiller room will kept as the storage space for everything. Dear friends, Engineer's Desk is a YouTube channel which plan to discuss about the various aspects of civil and MEP items which comes generally into picture while doing construction and execution of the project. Subscribe the channel, push the bell button. Thank you for watching. We will come back with another video.